Do you ever wonder why we at Norwex are so focused on the chemicals that are used in cleaning products? Well, not long ago, a study from our native Norway suggested that regular exposure to cleaning products can significantly affect lung function. The University of Bergen in Norway tracked the lung function of 6,000 people over a period of more than 20 years. Their lung function was measured periodically by how much they could forcibly breathe out. The researchers found that people who used cleaning sprays over that 20-year period had reduced lung function, which was the equivalent to smoking a pack of cigarettes a day for 20 years. And those in the study who also cleaned regularly over that 20 years had a 40% higher risk of developing asthma than others. The lead researcher, Dr. Savanes, said something that Norwex reminds people of every day. These chemicals are usually unnecessary. Microfiber cloths and water are more than enough for most purposes. We couldn't have said it better ourselves. Using Norwex microfiber and water is the easiest way to get started on your journey to a safe haven for you and your family.